Are you thinking of buying a home in the UK, but the property needs work? It's in the right location, but it's not big enough, needs renovating, an extension built, or its internal layout changed. What will this cost? How long will it take? Will you need planning permission, and is there a better design that you haven't thought of? My name is Neil. I am an architect and I give advice to homeowners and property buyers right across the UK. I've run my own practice in Edinburgh for 16 years, specialising in altering, extending and renovating private homes. 4 years ago I started Real Life Architecture, sharing my experience on social media. My online consultation service has spotted problems and identified opportunities for hundreds of homeowners and buyers across the UK. I can tell if your construction budget is realistic, how to comply with the building regulations, what issues planners might have with your extension, and how to find the right local team to make your dream home a reality. Get the advice you need before buying a home. Book an online consultation with me on the reallifearchitecture.co.uk website today.